Barry, what a blip in our radar here for just today.
Just today, and even today it's not going to be washed out. We'll have a little bit of sunshine in between the batches of showers and storms that we get, but we just want to focus just a little bit here, Kate and Chris, on the hurricane which is out in the Pacific. This is a monster. It is called Lane, and it's moving off to the northwest, and here are the Hawaiian Islands right in here. This is a Cat 5 storm, winds 160, and it looks pretty powerful, and it looks like it's going to be affecting all the islands, and this is the projected track as we think it's going to be going and weakening as it moves to the northwest, but still very powerful with winds this evening around 145 miles per hour close to the storm center, and it continues on that northwest track, so they're going to be brushed, but still getting some pretty powerful winds across all the islands tomorrow and into Friday as well, as it curves all off like this and weakens with time. So fortunately it will be weakening, but nonetheless it's really going to be some big seas and getting some big tropical showers there. Meantime, let's talk about us. We will have our own tropical showers today as it gets more humid, with the temperatures now in the upper 60s for the most part, but there's a lot of cool dry air just to the west. Really nice dry air. It won't be this cool here. Look at Moosonee, 37 degrees this morning. We will have temperatures which are going to be very pleasant, great for sleeping the next few nights as it really dries out. But today it goes up to about 84, about 12 degrees, 10 or 12 degrees higher than yesterday, because there should be some sunshine breaking out in between the batches of showers that we get. It's not all that hot across the nation for today, but the heat is going to start building in here, and that heat will be building into the northeast for New England here next week. Here are the showers coming along. Don't see any lightning right now. Be watching this closely. Sometimes when these warm fronts approach, we can get some nasty thunderstorms as the humidity gets closer and closer. But it looks like the parameters have changed a little bit from yesterday. So support is going up well to our north, and other support is going to our south. So we're sort of caught in between. So therefore, the good news is I don't think we're going to have any severe weather this morning. We're going to have to watch it closely as these batches of showers and storms come along. Right ahead of this warm front here. So about 8 o'clock, a few showers moving through Boston, certainly north and west of Boston, a few heavier downpours. And then we get into this very humid air. Then the cold front comes along and starts producing a few thunderstorms this afternoon. So they should be moving into Boston around 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock with maybe a brief heavier thunderstorm. That's when it could possibly be a strong storm with some gusty wind and certainly some downpours of rain and lightning. But it's all dries out late today, and those storms will be gone by the time we get the first pitch at Fenway Park this evening. Tomorrow should be a beautiful day. Few fair weather clouds, upper 70s, and very, very dry air. Nice weather still promised through the weekend.